Hello everyone, welcome to Code for Placement. In today's tutorial, we are going to talk about the combined multiple search conditions when filtering the data or when we have to filter the data. So let's get started. So basically, if you see all the customers born after January 1st January 1990, and so here I am using a keyword and point is greater than 0. So basically I am using a and condition along with the birth date. So when it is going to satisfy both the condition, my output is going to give, means the output which you can see it below, it is going to satisfy the birth as well as the points as well. So point is also greater than 1000 and my birth date is also greater than the 1st January 1990. So and means it has to satisfy both of them. If I'm going to put or means what, there's two condition, right? One is birth, another is point. If any one of them is getting satisfied, that is what my output will going to give. Okay, that's the major difference between or and. Okay, so if you can see my birth date is getting satisfied or my point is getting satisfied. So the first result you can see points are getting satisfied. Okay, it also have both. So if both is also satisfied, it will give you the output, or if any one of them is getting satisfied, it will give you the output. Okay, so this is the major difference between or and. Okay, now if I'm having and condition, means my birth or point and my state belongs to VA. Okay, so my birth is greater than 1 or point is greater than 1000. So these two are optional, any one of them are getting satisfied, and my state is VA. Okay, you can see my state is VA. So this is how I am going to identify it, or we are going to see this. Okay, so this is all about the order of these operators is we have to aware about. So early I talked about our arithmetic operator. I told you the multiplication have higher order than addition and subtraction, and we can after that the parenthesis will be having, right? So in the same way the logical operator, so the operator is always evaluated first. So when this query is executed, the query execution engine first evaluate the condition. Okay, because here we are using an end, so it does not matter we are typed out this condition after the first condition, because AND operator has a higher order. Okay, so this is how the AND is going to be satisfying. So you can see if I'm going to put this in parenthesis, so if I'm going to using the parenthesis, which makes the code more cleaner or easier to understand. So here are the after putting the parenthesis, we can clearly see that if it has to satisfy both the condition inside that parenthesis, because the AND is between both the condition. Okay, so this is one of the way, or the OR condition, which we have already written the previous one. Okay, hope this is clear to you. Now we can use the NOT operator to neglect this condition. Okay, so we applied NOT here, and preferable we also put parenthesis. Okay, so this is how we are going to use this. So let's say instead of customer ID 1356, I am this, because so on, so the IDs will be 2, 4 and 10, so that accordingly that is going to be. Okay, so the date you can see it is already 90. Great. So now technically these customers born before 1990 and the point is greater than 1000, so you can see any one of them are getting satisfied. Or if I'm putting not, means apart from the actual condition, whatever the result you are going to get, that is you can see basically both the conditions are not getting satisfied. So whatever the result we are getting it before, that result is going to be removed from my customer table, and remaining result I am getting because I have put it not operator. Okay, hope this is clear. Now here I am putting AND condition, means both the condition where the date of birth is less than 1st January 1990 and point is less than equal to 1000, and this both is getting satisfied when I'm using AND condition. Hope this logical operator is bit clear apart from these things. Okay, so this is very frequently asked and very frequently being used in as well. Okay, so hope you will be clear. Now let's jump to an exercise. From the order item table, get the item from order 6 where the total price is greater than 30. Okay, so this is what my first question is. So let's solve this question. So how we are going to solve this particular question is, we will be having order item table. In this table we have these columns: order ID, product ID, quantity and unit price. So if we multiply the quantity by unit price, we can get the total cost of that item, and then we can compare it with 30. So let's go ahead and write a query. Select star from order ID, and where the order ID is equal to 6, and because I'm having AND condition, because both has to be satisfied, quantity price into unit is greater than 30. Okay, so the total price it is saying, right? So quantity unit into quantity price, unit price into quantity supposed to be greater than 30. Okay, so you can see I'm getting one as a order. So we have 4 as a quantity and overall $8 as a unit price. Thank you so much guys. Do subscribe to Code for Placement and be with us. We will be coming for more such videos, and in the next video we'll talk about other operators as well. Thank you.